G'day guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is and simple to install your Leveluk K8 and start enjoying the benefits of the water. So first things first, you want to install your power cable, which comes through the back here. And then next, you want to start getting the water into the machine. So they have provided simple and easy installation instructions for the diverter, and you have many options that will attach to any type of tap. And I've gone with the stainless steel diverter because I actually like the look of it and it's simple to use. You can run that, just use straight tap water, or you turn it to the right to run the water through your K8. So first things first, you want to unscrew this from your tap. Keep that if you ever need to use it. And then this should just simply screw on, just like that. Next, you want to grab your water supply hose, which is labelled there, and it shows you the arrow that runs to the machine. Take off that cap, unscrew this part, then push that over your hose. Might be a little bit tight, and make sure you got the thread towards the attachment, the diverter. Then want to push your water supply hose on, and then start screwing that on. Screw it enough until it's nice and tight so it doesn't pull away or cause any leaks. And then you want to make sure it's all nice and tight. Turn on the power for the K8. As you can see, it's all fully touchscreen. Then you want to take the caps off for the waste hose, try and get that into your sink, and then this is where your Kangen water will come from, your drinkable water. Keep those caps to the side, and you want to grab a cup, so you get your cup. Now you got to do is turn that so it goes into your water supply, turn that on, and then click your desired Kangen water, or whatever you want to use. It tells you what's coming, and you simply just turn it off. And there you go. You can enjoy your first cup of beautiful Kangen water.